Hello, welcome back. Let me show you how to bake potatoes in the easiest way. This method requires almost zero effort, yet the taste is absolutely incredible. Plus, you can easily divide it into 4 portions so everyone can enjoy the crispy potatoes. Trust me, these potatoes will become your favorite side dish. Let's start by prepping our potatoes. Begin by placing them into a bowl and giving them a good wash using some baking soda. This will help remove any dirt and ensure they're clean and ready for cooking. Once they're all washed up, slice them into thin, even pieces. This helps them cook evenly and get that perfect crispy texture. Next, grab a pan and fill it with water. Add about a tablespoon of salt, then drop your sliced potatoes into the pan. Bring it to a boil and then let them simmer for about 10 minutes. You'll know they are ready when you can easily poke them with a fork. This means the potatoes are softy inside while still holding their shape for baking. Now transfer those potatoes into a bowl and here's the magic. Add another teaspoon of salt to enhance the flavor, then drizzle some sunflower oil over them. As you know, I'm not a fan of canola oil or soybean oil, so if you cannot use too much of olive oil, then the alternative would be sunflower oil. Give it a good mix to make sure each potato slice gets coated in that oil and seasoning. Once that's done, spread the potatoes out on a baking sheet, making sure they're in a single layer for the crispiest results. Add just a bit of more oil on the top. This helps achieve that golden, crispy finish we're all after. Now pop them into a preheated oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. And that's it. This is a super easy recipe for the crispiest, crunchiest potatoes that will take your meal prep to the next level. Today I decided to pair them with some homemade falafel, and let me tell you, the combination is just amazing. These potatoes will be your new favorite side dish, and they're perfect for any meal combo you've got planned. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more easy and delicious recipes like this one, please make sure to subscribe for more.